guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a shoe haul video. I'm going to be sharing with you guys or showing you guys 4 pairs of boots that I just purchased for the fall. So without further ado, let's get right into this video. So each year during the fall and winter time, I like to purchase new boots. It's just kind of my thing. I like to see what's out there in the market, what's trendy, and there's always a pair or 2 of boots that I always have to get. And when my birthday came around, I had to treat myself with these boots that I'm gonna show you. So let's just start with the first pair of shoes. These are the first pair of shoes that I'm gonna be talking about, and these are soft leather ankle boots from Zara. I got these as a birthday gift for my brother and I love them so much. By the way, I always create birthday lists and I send them to my family members. It's just something that I do, and I put these boots on the list and my brother got them for me. They're just so cute, so stylish. I can wear these with pretty much anything. I love ankle boots like this with this kind of style because they're very versatile in the sense that you can wear them with dresses, skirts, pants. I mean, they always elevate any look that you decide to pair them with. And so these guys, bangers, look at them. I can't wait to wear these. Second pair of boots are these leopard print ankle boots from Zara as well. These were on my birthday list and I got them too. I like animal print boots, animal print anything, because it's just a classic and timeless style that you can always wear any time of the year. It doesn't matter what season it is, you know, but I like to wear animal print mostly during the fall and winter time because animal print boots are just bomb. So yeah, I like these. I can see myself wearing these with denim, jeans, skirts, dresses, etc. Same as the Camel boots that I just showed you earlier. I like that they have a soft leather feel to them, you know, which of course brings comfort, and they're just so stylish. And this color, this style, it's not going anywhere. I've been seeing this type of animal print, leopard print since my early days of college. So guys, these are just a little, or maybe not a little, over the top. These are dramatic boots. So these are silver thigh-high boots from Bianco. You guys see how long they are? They're so long. Woo! These boots are drama. I mean, they're just so sexy. Look at that heel. Just look at that heel. Who would not stop and look at you if you had these on? I mean, these are bangers. When I saw them, I was like, should I purchase these shoes? I mean, I don't have any silver shoes in my closet. I mean, boots or not, I don't have silver shoes. And I thought that if they would be different, it wouldn't hurt to add them to my personal style. So I purchased them and I'm going to show you guys the first outfit that I wore these with. These are cute. The last pair of shoes are these snakeskin boots. These are knee-high boots from Bianco as well. And these boots are so cute. You could wear them with leggings or stockings, but I wouldn't wear them with jeans because they would just be too tight. Look at them. And they're very comfortable. They have that Bianco logo at the bottom as well. They're cute. I can see myself wearing these with huge chunky sweaters. I can see myself wearing them with dresses. They're a good pair to wear with a lot of outfits in the fall and even the winter too. But that is it for me today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.